Changing the data source in Looker Studio allows you to update or switch the data being used in your reports. Here's how to do it. Open your report, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Select the report. Open the report where you want to change the data source. Access data source settings. Edit data source. Click on resource in the top menu. Select manage edit data sources from the drop-down. Choose data source. Locate the data source you want to change. Click on it to open the settings. Change data source. Update data source. Click on edit connection or change data source. Select a new data source from the list or configure a new connection if needed. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect to the new data source. Apply changes. After connecting to the new data source, review and adjust any dimensions and metrics in your charts to match the new data. Save and verify. Save. Click Save to apply the changes. Verify. Check your report to ensure data is updated correctly.